This is a super interesting one. Of course, we've all seen these drug TV commercials where people look all happy, and then at the end you hear the long list of side effects. Well, now the Trump administration wants drug companies to have to include the list price of their medicines in those TV commercials. Now, the list price is the price before any discounts or any insurance kicks in. The pharmaceutical industry is really against this. And actually, hours before the HHS secretary proposed this rule last night, Pharma came out with its own proposal, saying it wants to direct consumers to the websites where they can find price information, but not put the list price in the ads themselves. They say the list price can be misleading in that nobody really pays the list price. But Alex Azar, the HHS secretary, was on Squawk Box this morning, and he took issue with that. Here's what he said.
The problem is almost every single senior under Medicare pays the list price or a percent of list price on at least some of their drugs. 47% of Americans under the age of 65 have a high deductible health plan, and during that deductible, they're paying the list price. So I'm not buying the pharma talking point that list prices don't matter. They do matter.
And remember, Alex Azar actually came to HHS. Previously, he had been a top executive at Eli Lilly, so he really knows the drug industry. Now, Pharma argues that including this information in ads could actually deter patients from taking their medicines, because if they see something costs $10,000 a month, that might scare them away. They also say this rule could infringe on their First Amendment rights. Interestingly, though, one analyst, Jeff Porges at Leerink, argues that it might not be pharma that's the biggest victim if this rule actually takes effect. He argues it might be broadcast networks, because he says that drug companies may just stop advertising on TV completely. And according to Kantar Media, they spent $5.8 billion in 2017 on TV drug ads alone. So that's quite a big chunk of money potentially coming out of broadcast networks, guys.